I was eating my breakfast when suddenly I couldn't move. The fork fell out of my hand, and I was staring up at the ceiling. The sound of the fork hitting the table, and I could barely breathe. That's when he picked me up, and he took me into the bedroom upstairs, and he sat me in a chair looking out the window. I couldn't even blink, and I was so scared. The dog had been barking, and then I watched him beat it to death in front of me. I couldn't even move. I couldn't even watch. I stared straight ahead, paralyzed. And that's when they brought in my mom. And he started